There are certain times and seasons where God brings a situation for a revelation. I am here to tell you tonight that whatever you are going through is just a pass-through. You are not in that position as a permanent position. And Jesus said to Martha in John chapter 11 verse number 4, "For the sickness of the man Lazarus is not unto death, but it is that the glory of God may be revealed." I don't care whatever you may be facing. God has not neglected you. Because there is story behind every glory. You need to conquer the season of your story. The man David understood. That's why he said in Psalms 23 verse number 4, "Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death," he didn't say I am there to stay. He understood that I'm there to pass. I may be sick, but it is just a drive-through. I may be stranded, but it is just my drive-through. I am not in that season to stay. There is a reason behind your season. Come on, somebody. Understand the power that God has given you. He said in Isaiah 45 verse number 5, "For I am Jehovah, and besides me there is no other." He said in Jeremiah 32 verse number 27, "For I am the Lord, the God of all flesh. Is there anything too hard for me?" He said in Isaiah 46 verse number 5, "For there is no any other God like me. For who can you compare me with?" For he said in Isaiah 54 verse 16 and 17, "For I created the warrior, I also created the weapon. Therefore no weapon formed against you shall prosper." He said in the book of Isaiah 59 verse 19, "When the enemy comes in like a flood, I the Lord shall raise up the standard. I the Lord shall raise up the standard." Hey.
Fire sweet and dead. I want to hear the church. I want to hear the church. Hey. Fire tender morena. Fire tender morena. It's okay. It's okay. Morena, what do you tender? Zote zile mshuni yabo situwe. Balo ze mshumo.